So hello everyone, this is Accar TechUg as usual. So into this video, I'm going to walk you through steps of how you can get to create yourself a Google account without a phone number. This is very much possible. Just get to sit down and watch the video until the end so that you get to see how this is done. So tap onto the settings application. Once you're done doing that, you're going to scroll all the way down and tap on accounts and backups. So over here, tap on manage accounts. Then over here, you're gonna scroll all the way down and tap on add account. Then over here, we're gonna create a Google account. So we're gonna look for the section, we're gonna tap on Google because the account that we're gonna add onto this phone or that we're gonna create is of Google. So over here, you need to verify that you are the right person who is trying to go for this option. Once you're done, then this screen is gonna pop up. So onto this screen, you're gonna create yourself an account for personal use. So you need to give it a name. For example, we're gonna give it a name, Jerry. I'm gonna give it Jerry. Well, so that single name is enough. Next, that is the name. Then you need to have a date of birth. So May 15th, 1990. We're gonna go with that. Then the sex is male. Then we continue to the next screen. So over here they will give you a couple of options that you can go with. So, and you can also get to create yourself one if you're not okay with these ones, because to me they're not that I don't know, how can I get to call it, they're not giving enough. I don't like how they appear. So you can, let's say, do Jerry. We can do Jerry 2040. So 2040, I think that is taken also. We can add on 4040. Let's try that. And also that is taken. What can we go with? So clear out this and do 4040. We are trying out a couple of options to see Jerry 4040 camp. Next, you see that has worked out. So then over here you need to put a password, but of course it shouldn't be shown to you guys. So I'm gonna put in a random password for the sake of security on the for the sake of security. Then tap next. Here you see that the magic gets to happen. Next, I've created a Google account without having a phone number verified. So you then later on get to add the phone number onto your Google account for security, because you can't leave it at that, like hanging without a backup. So it's already created without a without a phone number. You get what I'm saying. So that's it.